Hey everybody, Chris Young, Gander RV and Outdoors, standing inside the 2020 Coleman Lantern 285 BH. Now, this family-friendly bunkhouse model gives you plenty of room, style, and comfort for that family that's looking to upgrade the camping experience and get some of those creature comforts of home. So what do you say we start right back here on the camp side of this travel trailer with the double bunks. Now, you'll notice we got the USB charging ports both up and down, LED push button lights and windows. The only thing that I'm not crazy about is where this ladder is. It's a solid mounted ladder, which will really help when you're talking about getting the kids up and down, but for adults, that's going to be a little bit of an issue. Plus, it would have been nice if maybe it were a little bit wider, but I understand. Besides all that, you still have the very comfy Teddy Bear Bunk Series mattresses right up top. You got the solid wood underneath, and on the bottom bunk, you got plenty of storage underneath. Look at that. That is a great spot for some hunting gear. You could easily put a rifle case in there, some of your premier fishing rods in there. So if you wanted to use this for that adult weekend getaway, the guy's hunting trip or the ladies fishing trip or whatever, the beach getaways, 300-pound capacity on these bunks. You could easily get an adult, maybe a couple of adults, but definitely a couple of kids. Now, the rear entry of this travel trailer, you're going to notice you got that extra wide door. They've made these an inch bigger this year than they were compared to last year. Control panel right here on the wall next to these Luan walls with the foam core insulation. But the thing that I like the most, would you just look at it? That is a pantry with closet space for days. Yes, solid wood shelves. You got the hangers. Bob can actually get completely inside this. I could shut him in and leave him there until I'm done camping. But great spot to put your fishing rods, the bigger stuff, the big, like if you're going on that hunting trip and you got the big cases, that's a good spot for that. Right over here in the rear, across from the bunks, is our bathroom. Plenty of countertop space, got the power outlet there, so if you wanted to put your dryer or whatever, you absolutely could there. Single well deep basin sink. You got the shaker style cabinets with the brushed nickel fixtures all the way throughout this camper. So on the mirrored vanity, plenty of space, got that raised lip to make sure stuff doesn't fall out while in transit. Plenty of leg room down here too. I was worried about this when I first stepped in, but I'm 6'2". I can easily fit on this toilet. Foot flush is underneath, as is more storage underneath the sink. And right over here in the shower, we got that single surround tub. Let's see how much headroom we have in this. Okay, not bad at all. So you got the shower curtain, the single surround tub, which is deep enough if you want to take a bath, you absolutely could. Another great thing, if you have dogs and you take those on the trip, great spot to wash the dogs because you got the handle right here, the nozzle, got the hot and cold, and plenty of headspace. The vent up here, the skylight, does give me some extra headspace, so I'm not going to hit my knuckles, but I'm also not cramped left to right. We walk here on the residential style flooring, which is easy to clean and slip resistant. You're going to notice you got the 35,000 BTU furnace. You got the 13,500 BTU ACs and plenty of storage inside this unit too. Great spot for hanging coats, or as I like to say, grabbing the backpacks. My wife and I have gotten into hiking lately. She does it a whole lot better than I do. I'm slow and old and fat, but she's great at it. But my thing is grabbing the backpacks, grabbing those Kavu bags, grabbing the water bags, and being able to get and go quick. It's a fantastic spot. Full extension drawers on ball bearings there. Solid wood construction, which you're going to notice. When Coleman did a survey of people and asked them what they wanted light and dark interiors. So that's what Coleman did. They did a fantastic job of giving you a residential style and feel. Just take a look at the LCD TV wall backer right here. That beautiful color, almost like a log cabin. Got your cable port there, power port here, countertop space there. Got what I like to call the control components space here, and an electric fireplace that has its own LED light and blower in it. This thing is roughly 5,000 BTUs of heat that it's going to kick out, and trust me, when that thing's going full blast, not only is it beautiful to watch with that LED backlight, but it kicks off a lot of heat. It could easily warm this area. Convertible sofa right here with the storage underneath with the magnetic stoppers. That's another great spot for hunting gear. Got a huge bay window there, wooden valances, LED lights. We come over to The freestanding dinette, plenty of space here. So if you got 4 people, you want to feed and entertain, this is a great space for it. Plus, you could reduce this down and this becomes a sleeper, giving you a total sleeping capacity of 8 to 10 people. But let's just take a minute and be real, okay? When was the last time you took the family out and reconnected? Just got away from everything. Put the cell phones away and had fun. When was the last time you did that? You should give something like this a try. Beautiful bay window to let in some natural light and air. Got the augmented L-shaped style kitchen over here with plenty of countertop space. USB charging ports. You're going to see a lot of these in the Coleman series. Got the charging port there, charging port there. So if you got the coffee maker, the toaster, fantastic spot for it. Got the farmhouse deep well sink, which is undermounted, brushed nickel high-rise faucet there. Got plenty of storage with these shaker style doors. And cabinets, once again, full extension on the ball bearing, solid wood construction. Got the flush mounted 3-burner stove here with the push button LED accent lights on the controls right above the oven. This makes a great night light. So if you don't want to leave a light on, you got a lot of people, and you know people are going to be coming and going, that gives you a fantastic light. And the thing that I like about the flush mounted three-burner oven is you're not hitting anything, but they've raised the grates just a little bit with these removable grill style grates, making it easier to move the pots and pans, and you're not limited and bumping into the corners here. Glass cover there, microwave there, 7 cubic foot fridge over here, which runs on both electric and gas, giving you plenty of space to store that food for those weekend trips, the whole 9. Got the other backpack spot up here. I'd still do a lot of cooking, yes. I don't use every spot for backpack. I just think about it when I see it. I still do a lot of cooking, leave me alone. Shaker style cabinets up top. Got the dual zone speakers here. Yes, these are 82-inch high ceilings, Luan all the way around, and you got that foam core insulation inside as well. We make our way into the master, and you're gonna notice right away, yes, it is a walk around, and yes, I have dual charging ports on both sides with power, large nightstands with the drawers, full extension out, and the mirrored wards right there, giving you plenty of space. So, you need some more space? We got you right underneath as well. That's where I like to call it the spare tire storage if you don't have a spare tire rack. But solid wood pocket door, LCD TV bracket for mounting, right there behind you, and a raised lip storage shelf right above the sleeping area with the push button LED reading light. Your own entry door too, so that when you got the kids on the trip, or you're doing the guys trip or the couples trip and you need some privacy, you can come and go as you please. But all in all, this 2020 Coleman Lantern 285BH is a fantastic option for the family that's looking to get out and about, or you just need something that you need as a hunting cabin, a beach getaway, whatever. This is a great option. We've seen the inside. Well, let's go check out the outside. Okay, we've seen the inside of this 2020 Coleman Lantern 285BH. Let's take a look at the outside. We're going to start right up front with one of the nicest features on any travel trailer, power tongue jack. Got dual 20-pound LP tanks, diamond-plated rock guard, aluminum all the way around this camper, and this does have the foam core insulation like I mentioned inside, so great for all weather. If you have solar panels, these are set up for solar charge. There's your quick connect right there. True pass-through storage that is finished off. That is great for if you're taking this out as a hunting cabin and you need a place to put the rifles, the cases, the fishing rods, tackle boxes, beach chairs, towels, whatever. Bam! Good spot there. Another great feature of the Colemans, power leveling jacks. When you're talking about hand cranking a jack, especially when something's 3 feet off the ground, yeah, that's a great addition to have. This is the fold up stairs going into the master, solid handle here. Freshwater connection, back of the furnace there. This is when you would set up, this is where you plug in your freshwater connection. If you did want to do some outside entertaining, which, you know, with this giant awning, which goes almost the entire length of the camper with the LED light, this is a great spot to do it. Yep, we got big cover. Yep, we got big space. We got power. I'm gonna get to the double axles here in a minute, but the reason you want to do some entertaining is because this one has an outside kitchen. Got my 2-burner right there, so if I just got finished with fishing. I got a nice catch. I could easily clean it right here. I got a power port right there. This slides in and out, and I got the mini dorm fridge for my drinks, whatever I need to do, and the magnetic anti-slam outside doors all the way around this camper, just like the sealed safety glass that's tinted all the way around this camper as well. They even have covered up the hinges on the windows so that you won't get that rust or those rust streaks coming down the windows. Got the solid steps leading into the main entry. This is a double axle travel trailer. And Bob, I hate to make you go back and forth, but if you come over here, you're gonna see these are those Dexter Easy Lube axles. You got a little extra space in there. That extra space is gonna give you some fantastic stabilization when driving and carrying this travel trailer. So we make our way around to the back. We see the 4x4 sewer hose storage there. Got the external shower with hot and cold right here. This is set up for backup prep too, so talk to our RV specialist, they'll get you set up on that. Arch ceilings with the 3-inch rubber nozzles on each side, really making sure that when it's raining or snowing, those elements aren't gonna stay on top of your camper, which is bad for your roof. Cable connection right here if you want to set something up outside. And these are your main dump stations right here. Gray tank and black tank, city water connection, and tank flush right here, which is a fantastic addition, adding a black tank flush. Got your 30 amp service cord right there. Get that plugged in. We come around, this is the living room slide that we saw on the inside. Come over to the other side of the pass-through storage right there. But as always, the most important thing on any travel trailer, the info panel. This is where you're gonna find out how much a vehicle weighs. So for example, unloaded weight for this one, 6,500 pounds. Gross vehicle weight, 9,600 pounds. Ask your Gander RV and Outdoor specialist, what does that mean? Here's what my truck can tow. Is this the right camper for me? That's what they're gonna help you do to make sure you're gonna have the best camping experience available. But if you've been looking for a bunkhouse travel trailer, you need something that's a little bit lightweight that could hold the family or hold the guy's trip, hold the ladies' trip, be set up as a hunting cabin, be set up as a beach cabin. This 2020 Coleman Lantern 285BH is a fantastic option. Bang for your buck for days. You'd really need to check this one out. But leave me some comments down below and let me know, what'd you think? Where do you see yourself taking this camper? Did you like it? What would you change? More importantly, what's your dream adventure? I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. And as always, I look forward to seeing you soon. And when I do, come check out a camper. I'll see you later.